into ukuthi if i-ritual inzima ihamba nobunzima. If i-ritual even kunabantu that are disturbing you and you know their names, you use on that ritual. Ukuze lento yenzeke le, there must be a knock also on you, or there must be a sign. And I'm not the one to talk too much. I know what to do. So ama rituals wise, they were very, very, very intense, guys. Very intense. Some people are gonna go mad.
Okay.
It's not a threat. Some people are gonna.
Okay.
Some people are gonna.
Okay.
Last night, we almost had an accident. Imoto iwele emgodini. When we were driving ebusuku from a ritual. So those are all signs. Everything in this culture, it happens for a reason. And first thing first, my cars, they don't, in our big accident, it doesn't happen. Never. It was the first time yesterday. And that was not an accident, that was a message from the gods. Uguti, there's something you did wrong in the middle of the ritual. There's something that you did wrong. It can be before you came here. There's something that you did wrong, so that is why we have consequences. That's number one. Number two, we go to the river. Remember, I did say to you that there's rituals that I do, especially for money rituals, big money rituals. I don't remember doing a video about them, but I do remember giving you guys a hint about them, where you do a ritual and then we take you to Umnikazi Wamanzi, the owner of the river. So what happens when you go to see Umnikazi Wamanzi or Wentaba or whatever that you go to? If it's a snake, if it's a pig, it's what. So we had a quarrel Sinai. I ended up in Limari. It was not really a quarrel. Right? So it's a tough life. Have you ever had a fight with an animal? And it's not fighting with you. It's just that it came the time you were not expecting it. So now because you're ready for any action. Last night was bad. Last night was bad. So imoto, it parked lying in a corner. We couldn't take it out. We had to sleep in the car so that ekseni we go get help. And la isfikele khona, it's very far from where this whole car incident happened. So we had to sleep in the car and then wake up. And luckily, abantu bala, they are very cooperative. Once they see, because once they see something wrong, they all come and flock there. And then they end up helping. So they helped us a lot. I'm going to include the clip of that whole video in a car removal incident, and then I'm going to show you a clip of Umuti that they're going to do for me, that is going to heal the wound that I showed you. I'm going to show you a wound Langlimele corner during the other ritual incident that I told you about. So there's a wound, so I'm going to show you the herb that is used to quickly heal the wound. Unfortunately, I'm not a liar. I can't bring it for you because usebenza fresh from the tree. So if it's a tree like this, the one that is behind me, they take the leaves, they know the particular tree, they take the leaves and then they mix them with something else, and then we end it. So Tina, we can't have that in South Africa because we don't have that kind of a tree. You understand? So don't say Gogo sifuna loya muntu la uyilonda. I don't have it. I won't have it. I can't have it because of, look at how my man is working. Uyaqhuma. Silimele sonke. Sonke silimele, guys. It's crazy. You know, rituals. If you want soft life, it doesn't come that easy. It comes with its, you know, but we are alive. We made it fine. The car is perfectly fine. Everything is just perfectly fine. And enye into ukuthi if i-ritual inzima ihamba nobunzima. If ritual even kunabantu that are disturbing you and you know their names, you use on that ritual. Ukuze lento yenzeke le, there must be a knock also on you, or there must be a sign. I mean, I'm not the one to talk too much. I know what to do. So ama rituals wise, or they were very intense, guys. Very intense. Some people are gonna go mad.
Okay.
It's not a threat. Some people are gonna.
Okay.
It's not a threat.
Okay.
Hello and welcome to our channel. This is the only channel where we sip tea and do not judge. On the video we just watched, this is uGogo Manzini, who is known as Sangoma, that is known for performing izithwalo rituals for people who want to get rich. So I didn't know Gogo Manzini, to be quite honest. I was introduced to her by Owami Hlongwane here on YouTube, and then when they were doing videos, she was sharing how she performed those rituals and what happens to the rituals. In the video we just watched, which she posted on the 15th of May, she was explaining all the bad things that happened when she went for a ritual in Tanzania. And she was threatening that people are going to go crazy. People are going to die for all the things that happened to her. And that happened to her on the 5th of May. She passed, 5th of June, she passed away. There is going to be umgidi wezangoma on the 14th of June and a funeral on the 15th of June. So kuningi, I wasn't going to do this video, to be quite honest, but the more I digged into it, then I found that she had Manzini investment scams, and people want their money. And she posted a voice note on the group for the investment on the 3rd of June, and then allegedly on the 5th of June she passed away. People want serious money. We're talking of hundreds of thousands, we're talking of millions that people invested. There's going to be a part 2 that I'm going to post because I didn't want this video to be quite long. It's going to be about the investment schemes and all the voice notes that have been leaked of her promising to pay people their money and then actually not doing so, and then allegedly she passed away. And people coming for Owami Hlongwane because this is her best friend. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in for part 2.